Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to show you other options for creating your own PCB and very professional one. I usually use services when I want to mass produce or if I want to create a PCB that is high quality. I go to a lot of PCB making websites online. The one that I use all the time is called PCBWay. So now let's say that you have your PCB and let's open up one of my PCBs. I created this PCB using Protas, but if you have created your PCB using any other software, you can easily output your gripper file. So let's go to File, and as you can see here we have Output, View, Edit Library. Go to the output and look for Generate Gripper File option. As you can see, this is it. Generate Gripper Excelson files. The layout has been modified since the last. Okay, Lab Center recommends the pre-production check prior to generating files. I already checked my design and click yes. As you can see, now it's checking your PCB design for errors. Now if you did see pass, that means that your design doesn't have any errors and that you are good to go. Okay, now click close. As you can see, this window opens up. If you want to create your PCB using a CNC machine, if you have one, or using a very professional device, you need to have your own gripper file at hand. So this step will help you create your gripper file. If you are using any other type of software, you can contact me and I can guide you on how to get your gripper file so that you can be up and ready for mass production. Now this is our PCB design. You need to output to a single zip file. So click here, output to a single zip file. You need to tick off the layers you want. So Protas may take off them for you, and as you can see we have top cover, bottom cover, top silk and top resist, bottom resist, drill edge and any other. As you can see, if you want all of these layers you can leave them and you can choose the gripper format from here. I prefer going with this RX274X, this one, and I usually have my top and bottom cover created for me, and you can leave your top silk and top resist, bottom resist. You can choose any layer that you wish, but for me I will leave them to the default, and I will leave, okay, I will name it kit small, and that's it. One thing that you need to click is OK now, and your zip file will be created that has your gripper file. As you can see, CAD CAM file for my kit that I can use on any PCB manufacturing company website or any online website, but the one that I do use is called PCBWay. Now let's go and check how to do this. Okay, they have, I think, a discount for students. So okay, now this is their website. If you want to create the PCB, you can choose the dimension. Let's go back to Protas and check the dimension. As you can see, I have my PCB 12.3, 12 centimeter, 0.3, 6.7 centimeter. Okay, 12.3, 6.7. Okay, in millimeter. Okay, if we want this in millimeter, we can go back and try this 123 millimeter or 124 by, let's say, 7. 124 by 70 by 70, and you can choose the number 5. It's 2 layers, the one that I'm creating, and click quote now. Single PCB. Okay, this is the size, the number of layers. Do you want the material to be aluminum, HDI, copper base, Okay, I need it to be copper base, and okay, let's make it FR4. This is the cheapest option. Material model can be remarked below. Okay, now you can choose other options as well. The glass transition temperature for FR4 material if you need a more specific options, or if you don't know what to choose here, you can leave them to the default. What do you want the thickness to be? Do you want the PCB to be very thick, 3.2 millimeter, or 0.2? 1 is good. You can leave it to 1.2. Minimum track spacing, you can choose the space between tracks, the minimum allowed. The higher the better. Minimum hole size 0.3. For me, I would choose 0.3 for the hole size, the inside hole size, as you can see here. And you can choose the solder mask. After creating the PCB, they can mask it for you using any color: green, red, yellow, blue, white, or black. And here you can choose the silk screen, gold fingers if you wish, and the gold plated terminal of a card edge connector. So each connector will be let's say painted with gold material. Surface finish, extra process to expose copper to help solderability. You can choose any of these depending on your needs, but I will leave them to the default. And here, what's the main process VS by PCBWay. You can choose any of these, but I usually leave them to the default values. And finished copper, as you can see, you can choose the amount of copper per. Okay. Now, if you want, you can order extra PCB product number, and we have to add our product number on every PCB to recognize the correct board during production. If you don't want them to add it, you can call and they will charge you more. But if you don't mind that, you can save more money. Okay, now this is everything, and you can choose to quick order your PCB in only 1 minute. If you check this, they will charge you more, but this option isn't always available. As you can see, the extra urgent option is $107. It's very expensive, so leave it to the default. Now you can add your email here and add this to your cart. You can choose your country depending on your country and your shipping method. As you can see, the price will change. As you can see here, the shipping costs only $7. If you choose DHL, it will cost you $17. Other shipping methods, okay, China Post, it will cost you $7, and the PCB will cost you $25. So each one will cost you around $5 because we are creating a very large PCB, a 10 by 7, I think. Okay, that's it. Then you can add to cart. Let's add our email. Okay, they need us to sign in. I think that I already have an account with them. Okay, now it's asking me to upload my gripper file, which is the important step. Add a gripper file. Now you can go to where you have saved your zip file that we just created using Protas. That's it. Then you can easily click submit order now. As you can see, kit small, your order is submitted, and they will check it out and get back to you. They also have Skype support. You can call them via Skype for free, and you can contact them whenever you have something you want to ask about. They are giving, I think, $5 for anyone who creates a new account that you can easily use to create your first PCB for free. So if you are just starting, you can create your PCB for free using their website. That's it. There is other websites as well, but I will add a list of all of them in a different section. That's it for how to create your own PCB using a PCB manufacturing firm. It's a more high quality, advanced way to create your own PCB. So if you have the time, you can create your gripper file and take their free $5 coupon, I think, and you can easily create your own PCB for free. Let me show you. I think they have $5 for anyone who register on their website. Okay, join for free. Okay, that's it. Get $5 welcome bonus. So when you join their website, I think they are giving $5. Other software like Eagle and Friedzing, I think they offer their own PCB making services, so you can check them out as well. The one that I'm using is PCBWay, because a lot of my students asked me to explain how do I manufacture my own PCBs. I don't have time to use acid or any manual method. I just send them and I get free shipping, because I live in a country where free shipping is supported. Now let me show you how to create a new account on PCBWay and get $5 welcome bonus and another $5 because you are one of educational engineering students. First, go to the join section in their website, enter your email address, edueng team, enter your password, enter your password again, and tick this. You will get a $5 welcome bonus. As you can see, this is the welcome newcomer $5 coupon, and it has been added to your account. In this section, it's called my coupons. Click on it once, and here you can enter the new coupon. It's U Design EE 2019. If you checked, you can see that this coupon worth $5 and not yet redeemed. Click apply to your balance. Now successful, $5 has been added to your credit balance. If you refresh this page, you'll find $5 and another $5. You can simply click use now and use these $10 to create your very first PCB for free and ship it to where you live. I think that this is a very good deal since they provide coupons for students to try their service, so you can check them out for or using these $10 coupons. If you have any question or if you faced any problem, please send me a message and I'll be more than happy to clarify everything for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team. That's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, please ask in the Q&A board. I'll be more than happy to help you create your very first PCB. Thanks for watching again. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.